If you're overwhelmed by the nail routines you've seen, or you just want the basics, by the end of this video, you'll have my easy go-to nail care routine that can easily be done once or twice a week. I've used this routine for weeks and it's just been awesome for my nails. Now it's your turn. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's dive right into the routine. These are the products I use: 100% jojoba oil, a cuticle remover gel, a glass file, wooden cuticle pushers also known as orange sticks, cotton balls, or I also use these cotton squares. Those can work too. First we need to remove the nail polish, and on this mani I used a peel-off base coat, wore it for a few days, and by then the peel-off base coat was ready to peel off. And there's the complete set. Now I'm just putting them in my nail peels container. But for these guys, I didn't use a peel-off base coat because decals stick better to regular base coat. So we're just going to do it the regular way. Here I'm peeling a cotton ball into pieces, soaking them in acetone. But the dark purple could stain my cuticles, so here's a little hack I learned from Alexandra's Girly Talk. I'm just dipping a Q-tip into some lotion I got from a hotel, and then I'm applying it around my cuticles, everywhere that polish might get to and stain. Then I press on the acetone cotton ball. And while that's soaking, I can go do another one. Alright, now I'm taking off the cotton ball, and it didn't remove it all, but as you can see, my cuticles aren't stained from the dark colors. Look at that, nice clean cuticles. And make sure to remove any polish from under the nail. Now I'm dipping a cleanup brush in acetone and using that to do any fine-tuned cleanup necessary. There we go. And my right thumb is kind of wonky looking because it partially broke and needed nail glue, but eventually it broke off. So what you see there is layers of nail glue, and so polish gets kind of stuck in there. Yeah, it's a mess. Moving on, it's time to remove the cuticle. This is Sally Hansen's cuticle remover. I got it off eBay for $5 and it works. These are the instructions on the back. So I'm just going to squeeze it on around my cuticles, and then I'm using an orange stick to gently push back the skin and scrape any dead cuticle off. This is kind of hard for me to demonstrate because I don't have a lot of cuticle, but I think you can tell what I'm trying to do. And after I've done one hand, I like to go wash them. I'm squeezing some soap on top, running the water, and rubbing away all that gel and stuff. I have a question for you. What does your nail care routine look like? Don't be shy, we all do something for our nails. It doesn't have to be fancy. Comment below and we'll build a little community here on the channel. Okay, now we're on to step 3, file. This is Bliss Kiss's glass file. This one was $10, so it's very small because this is the travel size, but they do have a bigger size. Now, my almond nails do seem to need a lot of filing attention because when they grow out a little bit, you can tell. So the main important thing here, which you've probably heard a lot, is file in one direction. If you saw back and forth, it will fray your nail and possibly break. If I need to remove a lot of my nail, I use nail clippers instead, which I've done before to get my nail into a more almond shape without filing forever. And I'm just doing my thumbs now. Alright, that's done. Moving on to step 4 is cuticle oil. This is 100% jojoba oil from Levin Rose. I got this 4-ounce bottle from Amazon for around $14, I believe. It has some instructions on the back. Doesn't say anything about nails. This is what it looks like. I'm just applying a drop on each cuticle and rubbing it in. Now for the other hand. Now your nail starts growing under the cuticles at the nail root, hidden under the cuticle. When these cells there grow, they push out the old cells. Then they harden from keratin made by the cells and the nail grows out. So my point is, by massaging the oil a little bit further up the nail, you can help the new nail to grow. Fun fact, did you know that your nails actually grow faster in warmer temperatures? Hey, just for fun, I'm going to measure what I'm pretty sure is my longest nail. This measuring tape is for sewing, but it can work. Let's see. It looks like it's almost 1 whole inch long. Wow. Now, in preparation for my next manicure, I'm using some acetone again, pouring it into its lid, and I'm dipping a Q-tip in. Then I'm rubbing this along the nail plate to dry out the nail so that my manicure will have no problem lasting until I want to take it off. And maybe you can see how it looks drier compared to the one next to it. And I'm doing this to all my nails. Then grab your base coat of choice and take it away, girl. You got this. If you're wondering how I grew my nails out this long, be sure to check out this video in the upper right corner where I explain a very simple yet effective method I use. Now you know exactly what my nail care routine is. but fall is right around the corner. What nail art and colors would be perfect for this season? Well, that is exactly what my next video will be about, so I'd love to see you there. Also, if you want some nail art inspiration, follow me on Instagram at thepolishedqueen15 for almost daily posts featuring nail art I do in between videos and swatches. I also have a huge playlist of nail art tutorials in the description. Feel free to go check that out as well. If you like this video, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe and share this video with your friend nail artist, and comment below how helpful this video was. I look forward to seeing your feedback and giving responses as well. So I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a magical day.